for the last 15 years of my life, I am a street performer. So, ibig sabihin nun, I've been to 48 different countries around the world doing magic. So, I make people laugh and smile. That was my passion, and my love in this life is to entertain people. Okay? I was in 48 different countries. During the time that I was doing that, though, in 2016, I became the victim of a vicious assault that blinded me in one eye. So this one is not a costume, it's actually what had happened to me. A 16-year-old kid, he came up behind me with a glass bottle and hit me in the face. And it shattered into a million pieces that night, and then I was rushed to the hospital. I remember at the time, they finally brought me to sa likod ng ambulansya. Tapos sabi nila yung mga doctors doon, how many fingers am I holding up in your hand? Yan, di ba? So they cover this one, and then they go like this one. Ito nakakakita siya, 1, 5, 3, 2. Okay naman siya. Tapos nung kinlose nila to, parang wala na akong makita. Tapos medyo alam ko na wala na akong vision. The thing that they did after was yung flashlight test. So yung flashlight test, sabi nila, ito, close natin to, meron po bang nakikitang ilaw dito sa left eye? Sabi ko, may nakikita ko, okay naman siya. Dito sa right eye, parang nung tingin ko doon at the time, parang meron, parang hopeful ako, pero parang wala. It took 3 days in the hospital till they gave me yung what really had happened. Apparently, yung mga glass shards dun sa bote, pumasok sa aking mata, tapos sinever niya yung aking optic nerve. So wala nang connection dun sa mata ko dun. So there's no amount of technology that you can possibly use to get the eyesight back. It was after 3 days they were giving me a bit of a hope. And then that 3 days, that was my dark night of the soul. That's when my sadness started, called depression. But also that's when my healing journey started. I was looking for healing. And that time, I was full of what we call in Sagara, we call it BAGS. Ano ba yung BAGS? BAGS is an acronym for issues that weigh us down from living our best life. Blame, anger, guilt, and shame. And I was full of that. And it took me since 2016 to kind of heal from that, to get back out there, to start doing magic shows again, to start putting myself in front of people. It took a very long time. At the time, maybe you can't see it now, but my whole face was injured. I have scars everywhere dito sa taas. It wasn't only this eye on the right side that was injured. It was most of my face. So I was scared na parang I lost my good looks. I lost, pag isa lang yung mata, wala tayong depth perception. So hindi mo makita kung malayo siya o malapit. Hindi mo makita. And of course, it took many years to actually evolve to a way that I feel normal. Parang I was suffering from fatigue, mental fatigue. Na yung normal na ginagawa ng tao na just walking around, hanging out with people, that took a lot of me. It took a lot of my energy. So since that day, healing ang number one. Because if I can't fix myself, how can I make people laugh and smile if I'm not laughing and smiling at all? Which brings us to today. Before I used to be a street magician who dealt with tricks. Today we try to practice real magic in this life. In this life we call real magic, maybe you've heard it, alchemy, transmutation. If you don't like those words, in life coaching we call it reframing. What is magic today? Real magic. It's turning your weaknesses into your strengths. Turning your adversities into learning opportunities for growth. And turning what was once tragic to something magic. So now I have a new passion in life. And my passion is to share yung different healing modalities na ginagamit ko para sa sarili ko to heal my own wounds and internal struggles so that people can heal themselves as well. And every time I'm here and have the opportunity to share and to teach, we created the school. It turns what was once something like a negative experience, a negative story, to a positive one. Because it turns that negative na ay biktima siya, na-atake siya, to he's inspiring people, he's helping in each person's life. So I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody here for having us here. Because really, this is what turns my negative story to a positive one. Now, I see that there are kids around. Ako si Mark Beltran. So, my history, my training, bago ka naging yoga facilitator, ice bath facilitator, and yoga therapist, ang job ko talaga is I do magic shows. You're gonna say simsalabim. Keep going.
Simsalabim. Thank you, Polka.
Like you mean it, okay? To you and your community. Because inside the lemon, by the way, wala naman sa hands ko, malinis. I washed it this morning. Inside the lemon is actually a 500.
Oh!
Can it be yours? Kasi sa bahay ko, where all the lemon comes from, all lemons are 500 pesos. But this one, you put a smiley face on it, right? If your smiley face is on here, this should be a good trick. Now this thing is covered in lime juice. Very fresh yung money though.
Oh.
Lime juice. Ouch!
Oh.
Alright, that's how I lost my right eye. It's a joke. Like I said, turning weaknesses into great strengths. Ladies and gentlemen, look, all I do is open this up and you can see the one-eyed smiley face.
Alright, let's save some time. Who's next? Lupit.
Nice. Star.